Welcome to the assembly instructions for this GT-EV ride-on. The box of the ride-on includes main body, steering wheel, cell, backrest. Take the steering wheel, unscrew the nut, and insert two AA batteries. Join these two wires as shown. Now attach the steering wheel to the steering rod, ensuring it's secured by screwing the nut firmly. And attach the backrest in its designated position. Open the seat and connect the wiring as demonstrated. Your GT-EV rider is now ready for your little one to enjoy.